Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. In this class, we will clearly understood how Python handles user input, what data type it uses by default, and how we convert it into numbers for real-time automation scenarios. In this class, we will clearly understand how Python handles user input, what data type it uses by default, and how we convert it into numbers for real-time automation scenarios. Real-time automation scenarios. So before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. In the last class, we have discussed about Python input function, user input basics, input. So here we had given this kind of input to the terminal and we got the this output. So we had given the input. Okay. Whenever we used to run the code, it will ask the uh, uh, fields like enter your name, enter your phone number, like that. If you provide the name and number, then it will automatically print the whatever the we given inputs. Okay. Next, points to remember. Inputs accepts the user data and always returns string. Input always returns the strings only. String means alphabets. Okay. Makes automation scripts dynamic. Dynamic in the sense variable. It will change every time. Constant means it won't change, but dynamic means it will change every time. Okay. Uh, we have discussed this in the last class. Now today in this session we are going to discuss about. I will write the heading here. Python type conversion, understanding string versus integer. Integer. Okay. Python type conversion, understanding the string versus integer. So our class flow will be first we will write Python code in Linux using V8 and next we will run the script. After that we can observe the output and understand the type before and after conversion, how it is converted. Okay. Next, how it will be helpful in real-time automation. After that, we will clearly write our running nodes. First of all, our first step is to write the code in Linux terminal. Okay, so here I had opened the Linux terminal. Now I am going to provide open the VI with this file name as the file name will be class 5 class 5 type conversion dot py class type conversion dot py. Okay, now the file was opened. Now we have to go for the insert mode. Next, we are trying to write the code here. Mm, Uh, Now I am giving the input to the terminal. Age equal to input of. If we give like this, it will ask the uh, give the input. Okay, input of enter your age. enter your age. Okay, sorry. Next, print off. Print off value of age. Whatever we are going to provide the age, it will present here value of age. Here we present the age. Next, print off type before conversion. I will explain you after one more time after writing the code. Okay, whatever we are I am writing. Type before conversion. Next, type of age. Type of age. Next, age equal to int of age. Next, print of. These are the very simple code only. I can easily understand. For understanding purpose only, I am giving line by line. Okay, more lines. Or else we don't need to do this much, these many lines. Value of age. Value of age after conversion. Here we need to provide age. Next, print of type after conversion. So here type of age. Next, print of. See, I am giving the more print more times because in for understanding purpose. Right. To understand the code clearly, I am giving every time print. Okay. Uh, Actually, we don't need these many prints. Next year your age will be. So here age plus 1. Okay. So here first I had given age equal to input of enter your age. So first it will ask whenever we used to execute this code, it will ask the that what enter your age. Next print value of age. Whatever we had given that will print here. Okay. Next print type before conversion type of age. So it will print the what type of the age is. A byte type means so yesterday we have discussed about string and integer, right? So whether it is a string or integer, it will type. String means text, I mean alphabets, and integer means numbers. Okay, whether it is in numbers format or if it is in string format, it will give. Next, whatever the it will give, then we used to convert that age into integer to number value. Okay, by default input will return only strings only, even though it is a numbers. If you give numbers also, it will treat as string only. Okay. Next, print value of age after conversion. First is before conversion, next is after conversion. Okay, before conversion it will be string, after conversion it will be like integer because we are converting here string to integer. Okay, age. Next, print type after conversion, type of age. What is the type of age we are going to see. Okay. Next, print next year your age will be. So if it is in integer format, then only it will be add plus one. If it is in number format, if it is in string format, it won't it won't calculate and it won't print the output. Okay, this is how we are coding. Just now I'm going to execute this code as well. Okay, so for an executing, I am quitting this one. Right and quit. Enter. Now I am going to execute this code. Python 3. See, first it is asking your age. Wait. Now I am giving age as 25. See here, value of age will be 25 only. I had given 25 only. Now type before conversion. So type is before conversion string. Okay, value of age after conversion 25 only. Value doesn't change. Next, type after conversion integer. It is presented in integer. Okay, before it is a string, after conversion it is integer. After that, next year your age will be 26. Okay, so 25 plus 1. Okay, I will open the duplicate session 1 second to understand the code as well. Ubuntu. Mhm. Okay. See, whatever the name we had given, we need to give the same name. Okay. Class 5 type conversion.py. Even see here 25. Okay. Now here we can go to the, yeah, this is the code and this is the output. Okay. This is the code. Yeah. This is the code. This is the output. So here we had given 25 age plus 1, right? 25 plus 1. That's why it has presented like 26. Okay. Next. So here how it will be helpful in real-time automation is, for suppose if you are opening one e-commerce site. Okay. One second, I will show you. See, now I am opening our e-commerce site. uh, See here, I am opening this one. It will redirect to. So now if you add to cart, is there, right? If you add to cart here, okay, size and all. Okay, and now I'm going to add this to cart. So here, and I'm again adding this one. Okay, two items. Okay, if you go to cart, total items will be here two only. So these are these are in integer format only, right? So numbers format only. Here value is cart, here it is also one cart, so it is in integer format only. So for storing and converting the user inputs to integer format, it will be helpful. Okay. And also whenever you are going to enter the registration form, when or if you are applying for the passport, then it will basically allow you to uh, enter the give the age. Okay, then you need to give the age by within the format of integer. Okay, like that in real time automation it will be helpful. Okay, and if the page is now it is loaded very quick, but if it is taking more time to respond or more time to open this Amazon site, then after 1 second or 2 seconds we will refresh, right? Here we can simply refresh. Okay, reload. For that reloading purpose also we used to give the numbers like after 2 seconds, after 3 seconds, after 4 seconds. For giving that integer numbers also it will be helpful. Okay, and then we can write the running notes. First of all, I will give everything from the terminal. See key point here I am mentioning. In wait here. Input always returns the user input as string, as a string. Next point, type of shows that the input value is treated as string. Okay. Next, here int, we are given int of, right? Int converts string data into an integer. String data into an integer. I think you already understood our procedure. Just to recall the session when in the future, I am writing these notes. Okay. And here, after conversion, the variable becomes an integer. Okay. Next, so here, uh, age plus 1 we had given, right? We need to remember one point here, that arithmetic operations work only with numeric data types. With with numeric data types. Arithmetic operations work only with numeric data types. Okay, this is our input. Now I'm going to save it here. I will write that input and explanation here. I will write like here output. Output. Okay, now it's fine, right? Okay. So if you like the content, uh, hit the thumbs up and share the session to help beginners learn Python. In the next class, we will work with multiple inputs and build simple automation logic. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next class.